Hey guys, so welcome to the vlog. My name is MisterET, and as you can see, we have another new project today. So you could say this is a new project car, new project truck. It's actually an RC. So everybody's been quarantined for a number of weeks, and myself included. So I haven't been able to work on cars the way I would normally. Getting parts and things like that has been a bit more difficult with shipping. So decided that I would go miniature this time around, and we're actually going to be building a Jeep out of this TRX-4 Traxxas chassis kit. So let's talk about this a little bit. So first off, decided to get this this kit. This comes unassembled. It has a wonderful instruction manual, color. It's really well laid out. So if you're looking at getting into RCs and you like building stuff like I do, this is a really great kit. I had built an Axial previous to this, and I did like the experience as well. But this is a much better engineered, better laid out, and for anybody who's a beginner, intermediate, or an expert, this is actually quite easy to assemble. So I haven't actually filmed the assembly process, and as you can see here, the truck is actually fully assembled. What I will be filming today though is we're getting to the point where we're going to be installing this body onto this truck. So this is a Proline Jeep Rubicon Unlimited 12.8 wheelbase body, and as you can see, I've already cut out everything that needs to be removed here, and unfortunately today I will not have any paint, so I won't be painting this body. That's going to come up in a follow-up vlog here. So before we talk about a body or anything like that, the chassis kit is really interesting because it comes unassembled, as I was saying, but it also comes with all of its electronics. So it comes with its motor, it comes with its ESC, servo, and it has a 2-speed transmission. It has lockable front and rear differentials. So this is actually a really complete and nice kit. I already own 2 other RCs with Traxxas size batteries and things like that, so this was just a natural fit for me. So this kit actually comes with a 12.3 inch wheelbase, and the body that we purchased is a 12.8 inch wheelbase. So the first thing we're going to do today is actually going to be installing this, and what do they call this? This is a chassis conversion kit for the TRX-4 from short to long wheelbase. So it's got new links, it's got shock mounts, and it's got a longer drive shaft piece for the front drive shaft. So we're going to be installing that, and then once that's done, we'll be able to measure and look at the body and see how it actually fits on there, because with these fenders that are on here, this body does not actually fit, as you can see. So the really great thing about assembling an RC is that everything you need is actually sitting on this table here, aside from this kit. You basically need these 3 drivers. So one of them's a 1.5 mil, there's a 2 mil, and a 2.5 mil. This comes with your kit, and you're going to be able to install your wheels, and you're going to need some tire glue to stick these bad boys onto the wheels. Everything else either comes with your kit. So let's go on a time lapse of me disassembling this and installing this conversion kit. So this is the first side removed. So this plate over here is to install a battery on the front of the truck for better weight distribution. So we're actually unfortunately going to have to delete this, but I've only got bigger batteries that fit in this tray here, so that's not really an issue. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be replacing this piece here with this tiny little piece, and that's going to go basically over here on the truck, and you can see there's a massive difference in size, and that's going to help us clear a lot of these bodies that can go onto these RCs. So I'm going to spare you guys the removal of the other 3 fenders or anything else that needs to be removed, and we're just going to resume once all of that has been removed. So guys, the first step is done. As you can see, no more wheel wells in the back either. This is in the plus 12mm position in the back as well. And if we have a look underneath the truck, so new link here, links at the back here, link at the back there, and then this piece of drive shaft is changed. These actually need to be removed to access the upper links, and depending on how things fit with the body, we may or may not reinstall them. And this is everything you remove when you're actually installing the chassis conversion kit. Now the body actually fits on there, and I've actually cut open the holes here. So here is what that looks like. So as you can see, we're getting pretty close to this looking like a Jeep. Of course, we're missing paint, and I'm going to do a separate video just on that to show you guys what that will look like. We're going to need to make some adjustments to the front bumper and of course really the rear bumper here. And on the front here, the bumper actually is fine, but it's a bit too wide for a Jeep front. This is what it looks like. So I'd actually like these sides here to be gone. So I might experiment with the Dremel actually cutting these out, or just simply replacing this front bumper with a different metal one with perhaps some LEDs or something like that in there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was quite different than what you're usually used to on my channel, which is usually working on project cars that are actual cars. But I thought this would be interesting, especially during the time of quarantine. It is still a project, it is still in car or truck form, and though it is an RC, it can still be very interesting to work on. So look for some follow-up videos to this one. With the paint on the body, with adjusting a few things to really get this to fit properly, and then probably an actual trail video showing you what the truck can do once it's fully assembled and hitting the rocks. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, my name is MisterET. If you like this type of content or any other type of content on my channel around the Mazda Speed 3 and the Mark 7 GTI, hit that like button. And I look forward to seeing you again in our next video.